How to add birthday effect on Instagram notes. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily add a birthday effect on your Instagram notes. So Instagram usually uses different colors and different schemes to add different kind of notes on your special occasions. So what you basically have to do here is go over to your notes section. Once you go to the note section here, tap on add note. And if you write a note, something like happy birthday, you can just go ahead and mention the person as well. So I'll just mention this person, tap on share. What happens is it will give you this confetti kind of effect. So if you just tap on it and tap on the note, it will give you that specific note that specific effect. So I'll just do it one more time. If I just write happy birthday, tap on share, it will give me this confetti effect. Now, if I mention another person here, you can do that as well. And if you view it with other accounts, it will show you that as well. So here I've logged in with my other account, and if I go over here and tap on the note, it's going to give me the same effect. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.